Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is how to legally pay $0 in taxes in the United States of America. What if I told you it's possible to pay $0 in taxes legally? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me because today we are uncovering the exact strategy the wealthy use to minimize the tax bills, all without breaking a single law. Part 1 of the video: use of write-offs and deductions. The first step and the basic step. The US tax code actually reward business owners. Why? Because they create jobs and boost the economy. If you start a side hustle or a small business, you can deduct tons of business related expense like your home office, internet, phone, travel, and even part of your rent. These write-offs reduce your taxable income and sometimes it's eliminate the entirely expense of the projects. Setting up an LLC or S corp. The part 2 topic is using legal entities. Setting up an LLC or S corp give you access to even more tax advantages. For example, with an S corp, you can pay yourself a reasonable salary and take the rest as distributions, avoiding self-employment tax on big portion of your income. That alone can save you thousands of dollars. The part 3 and the important part of the video. Want to build wealth and save on taxes at the same time? Look into a Roth IRA or a health saving account. Both let your investment grow tax-free. With an HSA, your money is tax-free. Going in, tax-free while it grows, and tax-free when you spend it on medical expenses. It's like a financial triple threat for you if you do that. The part 4 and the important part of the video where we talk about real estate and depreciation. The part 4 topic is real estate and depreciation. You know everything about real estate because it's the property you live or want to rental, okay? Now let's talk about real estate, one of the biggest legal tax shelter available. You can deduct a portion of your property value every year. Even it's going up in the market value, some investors end up paying zero in income tax while still cash flowing from the rental properties. You have the cash and also the property. You have both things at the same time. The wealthy don't avoid taxes. They just understand the rules better. And now, do you? If you want more smart money strategies like these, hit the subscribe button and let's build wealth together. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes to the possibilities of legal paying $0 in taxes, make sure to hit the like button. It helps more people to discover financial freedom too. Remember, the tax code is over 70,000 pages long, and it's not just written for big corporations, it's written for the informed. When you are a small business owner, an investor, or just someone trying to keep more of what you earn, there are legal strategies you can start using right now. If you want to dive deeper, check out the links in the description where I break down tax loopholes, credit deductions, and more step by step. Subscribe for weekly content or smart ideas, tax strategies, and wealth building tips because the more you know, the less you lose. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comment box. I respond as many as I can, and your question might even be featured in a future video. Until next time.